Keep it steady. Watch the chains. Clear the way below. Almost there. Line it up exactly there. I'm guiding him now. Yeah. Slow and steady. Watch the cables. It's clear in the water. Looks good. Keep it steady. Down slowly. All right, it's touching down. Perfect. Kill the crane. Let's secure it. All right, slowly lower it down. Watch the alignment on the right. Stop. Check the balance. Looks good. Continue lowering. Perfect. Set it down.
Keep an eye on the pilot car up ahead. Copy that. Watching for traffic.
Keep it slow. Affirmative. Monitoring the load. Guide it slowly, centered. Hold steady, B. Clear the beams, easy. The rust is heavier here than we expected. Check the waterline. The damage extends below the moss. We'll need a different approach. Keep the pressure steady on the bow. Moving to the upper deck now. Check the grill, character A. Keep pulling, it's really stuck here. All right, got a grip. Pulling. Yeah. Watch the wiring under here, vacuuming here. All right, just a little more here. Almost got it. Ugh, what a mess. Let's try this spot.
Still a long way to go.
Keep tightening. That's enough.
That's enough.
Watch that side. Slow and steady. Let it down now. Line it up here. We need to press this down.
Yeah.
Check the level now. Hand me that drill. Looks good. Keep grinding.
Yeah.
I'll sweep this up. Systems check complete on the bridge. Copy that. Moving to the stern for engine inspection. Status on the hull fixtures. All secure and tightened. Moving to the main deck now. All right, cradle's moving. Keep it steady, watching the stern. Clear on the right. Entering the street now. Keep it slow, you got it. Back it up, good, good. Clear on the straps, take the tension. Set her down easy. Release the lines, she's free. Slow down, lower her gently. Watch the bow line. Easy, she's in the water. Release the straps. Move back, stand by. Setting off. Engaging thrusters. Clear channel ahead. Exceptional engineering, gentlemen. Truly magnificent. Let's hear it for the team.